Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame, we are definitely still in a downtrend based on structure. The trend is definitely down. This move up right here for sure still could end up being a pullback within the downtrend, but taking it down to a little bit of a sort of time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, we did get a break of structure to the downside over here, so we know that this first wave is over. I was thinking that maybe this was a wave A and maybe this was a wave B. Technically, we were in a downtrend until it just barely broke structure back up. So maybe the wave B is complete. Maybe now we're going to go up for a wave C, maybe to like the 38 or the 50%. So now that it is starting to break to the upside, I would go back to looking for longs for sure. If this is an ABC correction, then it could go up to a Fibonacci retracement level and break to the downside. So now we're back to looking for longs while we hopefully learn and earn whether this is just an ABC pullback to the daily time frame move down or whether it really is a trend reversal and it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and just goes up and breaks that daily time frame structure. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.